Alrighty then. If your life is missing something, if you need a challenge, do you need a spark? Are you over 50? Feeling complacent? Having trouble pissing? I highly recommend unwrapping a boat that sat on the bricks in a small Iowa marina for 7 years and just run it right down the guts of America. Be prepared for everything nobody told you about. Tens of thousands of dollars more than you could have possibly budgeted. Ruining your back. Meeting all kinds of people along the way as you are a mobile stimulus check for every swinging dick marina and muddy fucking shower hole. Oh no, I won't come back to the Keys unless I have a boat. Well, I do. I got a good boat. Challenge accepted. Kill bees.